I can't stop, this feeling's taking over me. I can't stop, this feeling's taking over me.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, so today is another travel vlog. Let's get it started. So what I'm wearing is the new Sullivan hoodie. It's coming out soon. Alphalete joggers and some Swift runs. So to the airport. Right guys, we've made it to Budapest. I've not even told you why I'm here yet, so I'm actually here with a brand called Carpe Omnia. You've seen me wear the jeans in a lot of the videos recently, and we're going to be doing a photo shoot, like videos, photos. I'm just going to have a sick time. Glenn Gillen, another YouTuber, and Connor Ryan, another like Instagrammer, is going to be coming, and then the owners of the brand as well, so it's going to be sick. The place is actually decent. I'll give you like a room tour, a proper apartment tour. It's like a 4-bed, pretty sick. But I'm so excited for this. It's going to be the one. Look at this. This is the train station. I'm going to walk into the town, get my steps up a bit. Just actually waiting for the cleaner, but once she's sorted it all out, I'll show you, give you a room tour. The weather is so nice, you know. I'm going to have to take this hoodie off soon, it's that nice. Oh. It's actually a very nice little city, you know. My goal for this year, I started it, was to travel to 3 new places. I'm already going to box that off by June because I've been to Lisbon, now I'm in Budapest, I'm going to Croatia in June, so maybe 5 new places. I love travelling. Also just something a little bit different as well. The weather is so nice here. Pretty surprised, you know, how nice, look. One thing I've realised as well, is like a Mackey's on every corner. It's like America. I'm actually buzzing, you know. First photo shoot, even though I've done loads for Sullivan. I'd like to do this type of thing for Sullivan as well eventually, like get other people out, pay for the trip. So sick to meet up with new people and just like experience new cities. Look at this. Buzzing. Right, let's go and explore. And by explore, I mean shop, basically. Straight in H&M. I might need to get some shorts, you know. Short weather this. The underground. Pretty cool. Also guys, so this is the apartment. I actually made it back. The cleaner's gone now. I'm here first because the other guys get in here at like 11:30, 12 o'clock at night because they're actually all from Ireland, so they're flying from Dublin, but I'm obviously from Manchester, so it's a 4-bed apartment. I think there's 2 other guys coming, Connor Ryan and Glenn Gillen. I actually watch Glenn quite a lot, you know, on YouTube. He's in like more like in the fitness industry. It's gonna be nice to meet them all, get all the Carpe Omnia jeans, get some sick shots. But I'm gonna do you a bit of a tour now, a bit of a house tour, because it's sick, you know. So this is the room I'm taking. It's like the first one you come into, on the left, double bed, nice mirror. It's pretty sick, you know. It's got a nice bathroom as well, this one. So one of the other guys might want this one because it's pretty sick. I'm lucky, I get first dibs. Right, then we go into the hallway. And this is like the hall, quite high ceilings, which is well nice. Another bedroom, which is pretty, they're like pretty nice and modern, aren't they? Nice little desk area, chair, wardrobe. Got another mirror. Us Instagrammers are all going to be loving this. We've got another bathroom here. There's a light inside. Pretty sick bathroom, to be fair. Nice and big, pretty modern. Budapest's well nice, you know. Got some massive doors, and then it comes into the like kitchen, dining, living room area. Sick. Nice natural light. It's fridge. Put a few waters and protein bars in the fridge. TV, and I think this is the master room because it's got an ensuite. Pretty sick, nice big windows. Another bathroom. It's nice, isn't it? Very nice. And then come over to the other bedroom. Massive doors. Another double bed. Pretty big. Desk, mirror. Yeah, That's the tour. Pretty decent. Just going to do a little bit of work on my laptop, go out, explore, get some food, and then I'll catch up with them later as well. So I'll catch back up with you then. But it's going to be a sick few days. Very excited. First time I've actually like proper done something like this, so should be a good laugh. Right guys, so I just did quite a bit of work actually. I was pretty knackered. I was up quite early this morning, so I just got quite a lot of work done. I'm going to get changed now, have a shower, freshen up, go out, get some food, because I've not even had a proper meal today. It's pretty bad. I just had like 4 protein bars. Ridiculous, really. But yeah, I'm trying to stick to the diet while I'm over here. We'll see how it goes. Obviously going to enjoy myself as well and explore local culture and that. But yeah, I'm going to get changed. I'll show you my outfit. Let's head out. Let's go and do a bit more exploring. Right guys, let me show you my outfit. So we've got this denim jacket from Fashion Nova. I was supposed to do a haul, but I've not had time to do one yet. So a haul will be coming for them soon again. We've got the Essential Minimal Tee from Sullivan with just the branding on the back of the neck. Obviously you can't see it. We've got a necklace from ASOS, probably my favourite one, this one. Really nice. And then we've obviously got the jeans from Carpe Omnia. The lads over there who will be coming soon. They're on the flight now, so they're coming a bit later on, but the jeans are so comfy, really stretchy. Very excited to shoot in these. And then we've got the old school Vans as well. Rose gold and black watch. Yeah, I'm gonna go out and get some food and just explore a little bit more because they're not coming for a bit, and like I'm not trying to sit in the apartment. I've done quite a bit of work, freshened up, feeling pretty good. So I'll get like a steak or something pretty nice. Scenes. Absolute scenes. Literally, the sun has just set behind me on the river. Look how nice this is. Wow. To the apartment. My feet are killing, you know. I don't know what it is, but them Vans are just not comfy for long distance. I don't know. 27,000 steps, so done quite a few, but just waiting for the guys to get in and just like watching a bit of YouTube, to be honest. Been a pretty good day though. Pretty sick. I'm excited to shoot some content, and the weather's supposed to be really nice as well tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave it there for today. I'll catch back up with you tomorrow. Smiley face.
3 days, and actually looks like good. On trips like this, you're more productive when you're at home after finishing a good day. Like stuff like that you do without a camera on you, you know what I mean? So I don't have my phone around and work, so I do
Pretty sick. Guys, so here on day 1 of the shoot, just with the lads. John. Got Glenn. Goofing about. And views. Sick. At night it does look sick, to be fair.
He's flying in like you can see it.
I didn't come here, but I went down there.
Like, this place is lit up at night time.
This will be sick. You should definitely try and do a night shoot while we're here. Definitely. Maybe get a hoodie or something though. Yeah. So obviously there's like 3 of us shooting. It's very nice, you know, this location. Fucking wow nice. Get some good shots up there. I said to him, try and get a few shots, you know, with this floor and the buildings. It looks well nice, doesn't it? Got Glenn on the camera. First bit of shooting done. just in Starbucks. Just gonna get a coffee and then get some more shots.
What's the
How long did you do in Toronto, Connor?
9 months.
9 months, yeah.
Did you live in Toronto?
Yeah,
Sick.
9 months.
Were you there for winter?
Yeah, that's why I came home, man. It was the worst thing ever.
Just on the way to Aldi, the guys. Pick up a few bits because I'm actually going to try and stick to the diet over here. So Glenn is shredding down along with a few of the other guys, so it'll be pretty good. Shoot is done for the morning. I'm going to get some scooters in a bit as well. So trolley.
I don't need a trolley. Well, I might need a trolley.
All getting some shopping.
We're all
Yeah, I know. All got our own camera. All got our own shop. Apart from John.
Start to finish.
Strawberries. Look at them croissants. Some eggs, fruit, cereal. Quite a bit of stuff here. Right guys, so we're here in the gym. Actually came, people weren't going to come, but managed to come. Glenn is doing some squats over there. The gym looks pretty sick, you know. I'm going to get a leg section in, maybe some cardio after. Yeah, crack on. So, got back from the gym, had a decent session to be fair, trained the legs, it was pretty good, you know. Just like had some food really, sorted myself out. So I got an omelette involved, didn't show you, just made it rapid. Trying to stick to the diet while I'm over here, it's pretty hard, but yeah, it's been a pretty busy day to be fair. Got the jean shoot involved in the morning, and then later on in the day, we actually went on the scooters and explored. It was pretty sick to be fair. But I'm gonna end it for today there. I might carry on tomorrow, so catch you tomorrow. So it's day 3 now in Budapest. We just shot loads this morning, but I didn't want to film because I've already filmed yesterday from shooting. So we're heading to the baths today, and then we're going to go to the gym and do a few other things later, maybe a few drinks, a nice meal. But I'm going to take along with me. I picked up these swimming shorts from like this Chinese shop, which is literally next door. I think it was like 2,500 foreign. So they'll do the job. I completely forgot about it, but yeah, I'm gonna get some food and head out. Made it to the baths with the guys. Check it out now. Not get hit by a fucking car. Looks mega, you know. It's not cornered off, is it? Guys, this gym is actually sick, you know. So sick, some sick machines. How's the session going, John?
Decent, man. It's warm in here though. There's no water fountains either. I'm going to be dehydrated.
We're going to have to get a bottle, aren't we, from over there? What is up, guys? So, I've just got ready, had a shower, about to head out. It's It's been a really nice trip. It's the last night tonight, so I'm gonna go out, have some food, have some drinks with the guys. To be fair, it's been a very, very good trip. Been sick, got so much good content. If you're not following me on Instagram to see all the posts, I'll put it on the screen. Make sure you go and follow me over on there. And also, don't forget to go and check out Carpe Omnia jeans. It's gonna be the first link in the description. Go and check it out. You get 10% off with Josh 10. Honestly, the guys are so sick, and the jeans, you just can't find ones that fit better. The perfect fit, honestly, very, very good. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos for these guys because, like, if you like a product, you use it more, don't you? I'm not gonna lie to you, the jeans are sick, and I think these grey ones I've got on here, probably my favourite. But this is the outfit I've got. I've got black sulfate essential tee, necklace from ASOS, rose gold and black, and then the grey jeans. I'm just going to wear some Alexanders and a white denim jacket. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. The other two guys who came, Connor and Glenn, I'll link their channels in the description if you want to go and check them out. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already. Also guys, so I just want to say a big thank you to John and Michael. Where's he go?
Grabbing his phone.
Grabbing his phone, yeah. But these are the guys, the owners of Carpe Omnia. And yeah, it's just been a sick couple of days shooting loads of stuff. If you want to get anything from Carpe Omnia, 10% off, first link in the description. Go and check them out, and also go and check out Connor's channel as well. Hello. Man behind the camera. I'll link him in the description. Yeah guys, but thanks for watching. We're just going to head out for a few drinks, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later guys.